People nowadays, they don't even trust the local pastor if you don't have a certain amount of members. They sit and watch TV, and they watch the mega folks with the makeup on talking about this and, prosperity, and you can have this and you can have that, and never really dealing with sin. Dealing with the effects of sin all day long. You can have this, and I saw somebody preach a whole sermon, a whole week of sermons talking about Jesus' house. Jesus got a house. He had a house. He had to have a house. He had a house. If Jesus didn't talk about his house, you don't need to be talking about his house. You got to get your house and get this, and God's got this, and God will give it to you, and God will bless you, and God will do this. What are we going to do for God? He's getting left out. You wouldn't stay married to nobody that just wanted giving all the time. Wanted you giving them something all the time, would you? You wouldn't stay in any relationship that's one-sided. But we think God wants that. Give me this, God. Give me that. Give me this. Give me that. Give me this. And God is like, what do I get? You living in sin, you're not living for me. You don't look like me. You don't act like me. You don't talk like me. Nothing about you reflects me. Why should I give anything to you?